Okay, it's June 10th, it's 22 degrees. I've got myself a swarm here. Picked it up from Marion, who I bought the original bees from. She had a number of swarms in the last few days, and she's got more than enough beehives, so she gave me a phone call, knowing and following me on Facebook, knowing that I was missing a queen and waiting to see if there was a queen. I was just about ready to go and buy a queen from somebody. Wow, look at all those. Yes, they just, when you knock them, they just fall off. So the queen is at the bottom there, in a little container, right down there. That's her in that container. Can't really see it, it's out of focus. There it is. Look how they're fanning there. It might be. I need to just, and then we can wait a bit. Should we turn this so that that batch can come in? Move this like this. There. Look at that. They're already working their way towards there. This is just a magical part, eh? Incredible. Look at that batch there, how they're starting to come in now that they've the fanning. They found a home. But here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another deep box. This is 2 deep boxes. I'm going to add another deep box because the swarm, this nuke I've got, has got deep frames in it. I'll add it above here, and I'll put some newspaper between. I'll take out this this queen excluder. I'll put newspaper between the deep box here, newspaper, and these. And it's to let these bees down here and these bees here become accustomed, and they'll eat their way through the newspaper and combine. The newspaper combine, and it's because this is queenless. This has a queen. We don't want the bees down here to attack this queen and kill her. So you can see there's the nuke. This frame here has been shifted a little bit, but they'll be drawing out that comb. You notice that it's foundation right now, but they will draw that out. So the queen is in a little cage. There we go. And this one is only a temporary one. It's a temporary. June 11th, 13 degrees. The This is the day after I have put in a new queen into here with a paper combined, newspaper combined. Anyways, what I've got is I've left her in her little cage, and I want to release her today. And I'll leave this in its configuration. I'll just remove these, I'll remove this, set it aside. I'll get in here, I'll take out her little container, and I'll open it up, release her into here. So, we'll remove this. Whoa. Goodness gracious. There are a lot of bees in there. Look at this. See if... Don't really want to mix these, but I'm gonna have to. Well, I could just do this and do gently. Just set that there. And I will go in and find the queen container, which should be just in here. There we go. And she's in there. And these bees want to be with her. I should be able to just open up the queen cage from this end. There we go. Okay. Okay. So this is the queen cage that I've got. There's some wax, sugar wax put on the end, which they haven't removed. And we'll open up the queen cage. And they've gone in to find the queen. There she is. There she is. See how much bigger she is? She's right there. Right there. Okay, let's get her in here. There she is. She's right here. And she's gone over the side. I'll just drop this in here. And now I can close this. And they will eventually eat through. And the rest of these bees are just going to have to become part of the other hive. So there is the original 2 deeps. There is the paper combined, newspaper combined. There is the new swarm. There is a divider, a solid divider, and the honey supers. So the bees from the honey super can come out that little hole right there. They can also come out the upper hole up there. These bees from the swarm can't go anywhere. The only place they can go is they can slowly chew through this paper, newspaper, and go down and meet the existing old hive. It slows down the introduction of a new queen, and this hive will then accept a new queen, this one from the swarm.